So far we have seen this pattern where the component is returned with a self-closing tag. We have not yet tried to write content inside a component like this. So let's try that as well. Let me remove the object, and here also I remove the object and add the value is equal to, let's say, 5. And here in the demo component, I'm going to remove this props p code and props p name, and instead I'll just display props.value. So now we have the output showing value. If you carefully observe the object, it has just the value property in it. Why am I emphasizing on this? That you will know in a moment. Now let's add some content to the component. So here I'm going to say hello. Now if you check the output, that is the object, it has one more property added named children, which contains the value hello. So now the props object receives not only attributes as properties but also the content as a single property named children. Now I can write props.children here. Let me remove this stringify and just write props.children. So you see the output hello, which is the content of your custom component. You may also have the other elements as content. For example, I may have, let's say, a division here. Then I put an input. I'll say type equal to text. So you see that this also is coming properly. There are multiple elements, that is division and input, and maybe more, that is passed to props.children property. You may also have other custom components inside one component, which will be a kind of high order component scenario, also known as HOC, which we will discuss in forthcoming lectures. Now let's talk about relative questions. The question is, how do you access the content of the component, or what does the props.children property do? So basically, whenever there is a content like this one passed inside the custom component, then it is actually sent to props children property, and the children property allows you to access the content, or props.children property allows you to refer the content of the custom component.